Dr. A. Ramakrishna Shabaraya, Principal and Director, Srinivas College of Pharmacy, Mangalore, Karnataka. Dr. A. Shabaraya completed his B.Pharm and M.Pharm from Mangalore University and doctorate in the Tamilnadu Dr. MGR Medical University, Chennai, and MBA in Sikkim Manipal University. Started his professional journey in NGSM Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Mangalore from 1997 to 2007. In 2000, he has been deputed and joined for Ph.D. program through QIP by AICTE in JSS College of Pharmacy, Ooty. He was the first PhD specialized in pharmacy practice from the Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University, Chennai. The experience he gained during his PhD program made him to become a great organizer and an able administrator at later stages of his professional career. This also later motivated him to organize National Pharmacy Week celebration in NGSM Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences as a secretary of IPA, bringing all pharmacy colleges on single platform. He was a good academician and researcher. He indulged himself in various activities of Indian Pharmaceutical Association IPA and later became the secretary for IPA Mangalore local branch from 2005 to 2011. Dr. Shabaraya took charge as principal of Karavali College of Pharmacy in 2007. He has taken the charge as principal and director of Srinivas College of Pharmacy, Mangalore in 2008. He became the president IPA Mangalore local branch in 2012 and he is a president till date for IPA Mangalore local branch. He organized various professional activities such as industry academic interactions, workshops, conferences, camps, made him more popular in the pharmacy field, and his vision was to make the IPA Mangalore branch as the best. As a president, Dr. Shabaraya received Best Local Branch Excellence Award from IPA in 2020 and many more awards from society. Dr. Shabaraya is a successful principal of Srinivas College of Pharmacy and developing the college with disciplined culture and quality education with various courses like D.Pharm, B.Pharm, M.Pharm with 5 specialization, Pharm.D and Research Center. He led his institutional team to be listed in NIRF. Dr. Shabaraya is an able administrator, active researcher, philanthropist, through pharmacy professional, a man much sought after by his colleagues, students and pharmacy professionals. Dr. Shabaraya's expertise area of research are respiratory care and quality of life, clinical pharmacy, and novel drug delivery system. Dr. Shabaraya is the president of IPA Mangalore local branch since 2012 and executive committee member of IPA Karnataka state branch since 2018. He is a recipient of grants from various funding agencies such as AICTE, International Pharmaceutical Federation FIP Netherlands, PCI, KSPC, VGST and ICMR. He has received more than ₹1 crore for research, international travel and for organizing seminars and conferences. He has received VGST research grant of ₹40 lakhs for his project establishing the facility for development of novel drug delivery systems and its stability studies containing life-saving drugs under the scheme Karnataka Fund for Infrastructure Strengthening in Science and Technology for the year 2017-18. He received research grant of 3 lakhs from RUHS, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, for a project design and development of liposomes containing artesunate for the treatment of Plasmodium falciparum malaria. Everything is theoretically impossible until it is done. Dr. Shabaraya had made practically possible through his contributions to pharmacy profession. Dr. Shabaraya has received seminar grants of more than 2 lakhs for conducting various seminars from RGHS. To name some are National Seminar on Industrial Institutional Approach towards Pharmaceutical Technology, Advances in Medicinal Plant Research and Herbal Drug Technology, Recent Developments in Pharmacological Research, and so on. He has received seminar grants of rupees 1,50,000 from KSPC and PCI for conducting continuing education program for registered pharmacists, faculty development programs, and many more. He received seminar grant of 50,000 from Indian Council of Medical Research, New Delhi, ICMR, for organizing national seminar on herbal drug development and novel approach, and role of natural products and traditional remedies in interaction with modern drugs and their concurrent use at Srinivas College of Pharmacy, Mangalore. Dr. Shabaraya has presented his research findings in various national and international conferences and symposiums by receiving travel grants. He has presented his research findings in international conferences at Nice, France 2002, Sydney, Australia in 2003, Istanbul, Turkey in 2009, New Orleans, USA 2010, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia 2011, Colombo, Sri Lanka 2013, Dubai 2015, Bangkok, Thailand in 2018. Dr. Shabaraya in 2002 presented a research paper in 62nd International Congress of FIP in Nice, France, and received Young Researcher International Travel Award of 2,500 euros from International Pharmaceutical Federation, Netherlands, FIP. He was one among the 7 recipients of this award in the world in 2002. He received International Travel Scholarship for the year 2003 from Karnataka State Pharmacy Council, Bangalore, and AICT in New Delhi for attending and presenting research paper in Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences World Congress, 63rd International Congress of FIP at Sydney, Australia in 2003. For the research entitled Assessment of Quality of Life with the Treatment of Inhaled Formoterol and Budesonide on Exacerbation of Asthma in South Indian Patients. He presented a research paper entitled Impact of Patient Education Provided by the Pharmacist on Use of Dry Powder Inhalers, a Controlled Study, in the World Congress of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences 2009 in 2009 at Istanbul, Turkey. He received International Travel Scholarship for the year 2010 from AICT New Delhi for attending and presenting research paper in World Congress of Pharmacy in association with American Association of Pharmaceutical Scientists, AAPS, at New Orleans, USA in 2010. He received an International Travel Scholarship for the year 2011 from RGHS Bangalore for attending and presenting research paper in International Scientific Conference 2011 in Malaysia. He received International Travel Grant from RGHS Bangalore to present a scientific paper in World Congress of Pharmacy and Chemical Technology 2013 at Colombo, Sri Lanka. He presented his research findings entitled Design and Evaluation of Ketoconazole Soap Strips for Dermal Infections in International Scientific Conference at Dubai. He was a resource person in 17th Annual Medicinal and Pharmaceutical Sciences Conference at Bangkok, Thailand in 2018. Dr. Shabaraya is an active researcher and published more than 165 papers in reputed national and international journals, with citations of 737, H index 13 and I-10 index 20. He has guided more than 30 M.Pharm, 15 Pharm.D research students. He had 6 research scholars who completed their Ph.D. and 4 more are actively pursuing their doctoral program. He has effected collaborative research with Mangalore University, NITK Surathkal, AJ Dental College and Karnataka Ayurveda Medical College, etc. for biological evaluation of synthesized chemical compounds, anti-diabetic, anti-cancer activity of synthesized compounds, and the development of formulations and their evaluations. He has effected the collaborative research also with some of the pharma industries, Simcon Laboratories Private Limited, Mangalore, Strides Arco Lab, Mangalore, Sequent Research Private Limited, Mangalore. As an editor of RGHS Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Dr. Shabaraya was responsible for bringing out quality-based research articles. He is also a chief editor of International Journal of Health Science and Pharmacy and also a member of editorial board for many journals. He has authored a book entitled A Detailed Study on HIV and Its Drugs, published by Lambert Academic Publishing House. He is a philanthropist. He has organized many socially beneficial programs which include blood donation camp, dental camp, COVID vaccination camps. He has also organized blood donors network to help the people in need. He has inaugurated the Patient Counseling Center in Community Pharmacy, Mangalore. He has also organized AIDS Awareness Pharma Rally, Vana Mahotsava, and many more. He was instrumental in conducting National Pharmacy Week, World Pharmacist Day, World Heart Day, and many more. Dr. Shabaraya introduced virtual tour to pharma industry for the first time. During the COVID pandemic, he has taken initiation to organize virtual tour of pharmaceutical industry, which was well accepted by the pharmacy students and faculty members all over India. He has organized Science Fest to all the PU students of Dakshina Kannada, Udupi and neighboring districts of Kerala. This event showcases the significance of pharmaceutical technology and gives an opportunity to students to exhibit their innovative skills. He participated as a delegate in the workshop and one-on-one meeting on ACPE International Certification Program organized by Indian Association of Colleges of Pharmacy and Accreditation Council for Pharmacy Education USA at Bangalore in 2015. They had one-on-one meeting with the Director of Accreditation Council of Pharmacy Education USA, Dr. Michael J. Rose, and discuss the issues related to ACPE USA accreditation. Dr. Shabaraya has been invited to deliver guest lectures on various topics in and around India like Malik Dinar College of Pharmacy, Kerala, Sridevi College of Pharmacy, Mangalore, Karnataka Ayurveda Medical College, AJ Institute of Medical Sciences, Alwaz Ayurveda Medical College, Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College. He participated as a chief guest and encouraged the students on various events. Dr. Shabaraya is an excellent Yakshagana artist, hugely popular folklore skill depicting the Hindu mythological gods. He arranges many practicing sessions for the upcoming artists in this popular art. He himself took part on many stage shows. He motivates his colleagues, students to showcase their skills. As an able administrator, Dr. Shabaraya has placed the college in good academic track record, Considering the consistency of maintaining good academic record, the college was placed 75 to 100 range by the National Institute Ranking Framework, New Delhi, NIRF. Dr. Shabaraya, with his administrative acumen, he has taken many initiatives for the development and establishment of the college with all the pharmacy courses D Pharm, B Pharm, M Pharm, Pharm D Postbaccalaureate and Ph.D. Research Center within a short span of time. He has also motivated all of his colleagues and students to secure research grants from RGHS and AACT totaling of more than 50 lakhs. Hard work never go unnoticed, and someday the rewards and recognitions will flow. Dr. Shabaraya received Indian Drugs Best Paper Award 2007 from Indian Drug Manufacturers Association, Mumbai for research article entitled Impact of Patient Education in Asthma, a Control Study. He received National Education Leadership Award in the year 2015 for his contribution in pharmacy education from Economic Growth Society of India, New Delhi, and he was felicitated for the same by a Shama Rao Foundation. He received Principal of the Year Award in the year 2016 from APTI, Karnataka State Branch, for his noteworthy services in pharmaceutical education. He was felicitated by the organizing committee of Apticon in 2016 at Manipal for his outstanding contribution to the profession of pharmacy. He was felicitated by Kokada Agriculture and Rural Development Bank during Centennial Celebration International in 2019 through the Vice Chancellor of Mangalore University and MLA of Beltangadi Taluk for his noteworthy services in pharmaceutical education and an outstanding performance. He was felicitated by Srinivas Group of Colleges, Mangalore for being the recipient of research grant from VGST Government of Karnataka and speaker in various international conferences. Dr. Shabaraya was also felicitated by A. Shamarao Foundation, Mangalore for his research contribution to the profession of pharmacy. He was felicitated by Drug Control Department, Mangalore, Indian Pharmaceutical Association, Mangalore, and IPS Student Wing, Mangalore for his outstanding contribution to the profession of pharmacy. Considering his selfless contributions and achievements, Dr. Shabaraya was felicitated by Puttur Taluk Shivali Sampata, A. Shamarao Foundation, Mangalore, and Kokada Agriculture and Rural Development Bank in 2017, 2018, and 2019 respectively. He has also been felicitated by Students' Council and by IPA members on World Pharmacist Day. Under his leadership as President IPA Local Branch, IPA has organized many community health-based programs and was recognized with Local Branch Excellence Award 2020 by Indian Pharmaceutical Association, Mumbai. Dr. Shabaraya is an able administrator, a great team leader, an active researcher, and a philanthropist. He is a multifaceted pharmacy professional. Dr. Shabaraya has contributed immensely for the development of pharmacy education by being the member of Board of Studies in Pharmacy for various pharmacy programs of many Indian universities. Further, he is also a member of PhD registration committees and academic council of various universities. Dr. Shabaraya has written an article in the New Indian Express on World Pharmacist Day. The article says the World Pharmacist Day 2021 is being celebrated all over the world today with the theme Pharmacy Always Trusted for Your Health. World Pharmacist Day was designated on 25th September 2009 in Federation of International Pharmaceutical FIP 2009 conference in Istanbul to commemorate their yeoman service every year. The services and sacrifices made by pharmacists along with other healthcare professionals have brought them to be frontline warriors against COVID. COVID pandemic has made many industrial houses to implement conservative steps, thereby saving considerable amount of administrative expenses and manpower requirements. Academic institutions are no exception in this regard. Ultimately, COVID pandemic, whether it proves to be a bliss or bane for the pharmacy academic community, will be revealed with time. Dr. Shabaraya acknowledges the funding agency, teachers, gurus, mentors, seniors, research colleagues, research collaborators, and his dear students. He acknowledges gratefully the contribution of professional bodies like PCI, AACT, APTI, FIP, RGHS, VGST, and KSPC. He remembers the help, encouragement, and cooperation from his family members, friends, faculty members, and dear students. Dr. Shabaraya remains grateful to Dr. A. Raghavendra Rao, President, A. Shama Rao Foundation, Chancellor, Srinivas University, Mangalore, and Dr. A. Srinivas Rao, Vice President, A. Shama Rao Foundation, and Pro-Chancellor, Srinivas University, Mangalore, for all the cooperation and encouragement he receives. He acknowledges Professor Dr. M.D. Karwekar, former member, Executive Council, PCI, New Delhi. Dr. Shabaraya acknowledges Dr. T.V. Narayana, National President, Indian Pharmaceutical Association, IPA, and Director, Vikas Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Rajamundry, Andhra Pradesh. Dr. Shabaraya conveys his thanks to his PhD guide, Dr. B. Suresh, President, Pharmacy Council of India, PCI, New Delhi, former Principal, JSS College of Pharmacy, Ooty, Pro-Chancellor, JSS Academy of Higher Education, Mysore. Agila's Insight submits a special thanks to Dr. Rudragowda G. Patil, President, APTI, Karnataka State Branch, for his continuous support. For any suggestions, write to us at pharmainsights2020@gmail.com.